What is up, my simple cooks? It's Johnny here, helping you build your confidence in the kitchen one video at a time. Today we're learning a super basic beginner cooking technique, how to fry the perfect egg. I'm going to show you 3 different ways to do it. I still remember the first time I stepped into the kitchen, not just to eat something out of the pantry, but to actually try and learn how to cook something. It was 2013 during my first year as a student at university. The first thing I ever tried to learn how to cook was how to fry an egg. Like shh. And so here are my 2 top tips for getting the perfect fried egg. Number 1, use a non-stick fry pan. This will stop your eggs from sticking to the pan. And number 2, use a bit of fat. We are making fried eggs, so we do need a bit of fat. I'm going to be using 3 different types of fats today. Number 1, olive oil, sesame oil, and butter. So let's get cooking. So the first method is called Sunnyside Up. I'm going to use sesame oil as the fat for this version. Coat the fry pan in the oil and crack in your egg. Then lower the heat down to a medium low. We call this Sunnyside Up because we don't need to flip the egg. You just cook it on medium low for 5 minutes on one side. Another little tip is to run your spatula along the side of the egg to make sure it's not sticking. You should be able to move the pan and the egg should still be moving around pretty easily. You'll know when the egg is done when the egg whites have just set and the yolk is still nice and gooey. In my opinion, Sunnyside Up is the prettiest version of the fried egg. So adding this to dishes like a bibimbap, which is my favorite dish, can really up the presentation quality of your cooking. The egg should look like the sun, and it's facing up at all times because we don't flip. Hence the name Sunnyside Up. Okay, so the second method of frying eggs is over hard. I'm gonna go with a different fat this time. Let's go butter. This time, heat the pan over medium heat. Butter goes in. Once it's melted, crack the egg in. This time the heat is a little higher, so what you'll see is that the edges of the egg will actually crispen up a little. Let's break this down. Over means we'll be flipping the egg, and hard refers to how much the yolk is cooked through. For this version, we want the egg to be completely set. Fry for about 2 minutes until the egg whites are just set. Then flip the egg. I'm going to mix it up a little and add a slice of cheese as well. For over hard, let the other side cook for another 2 minutes. Lower the heat down to a medium low and let the cheese melt over the top of the egg. Over hard eggs are great for things like sandwiches because they're less messy and the yolk doesn't drip everywhere. Plus, the cheese will add so much flavor to your sandwiches. Perfect, let's transfer this over to our fried egg serving platter. Okay, so the third and final method is over easy. Touch of olive oil goes into the pan, move it around to coat the entire pan, and crack in the egg and cook over medium heat. This method is pretty similar to the over hard method. We'll be flipping the egg, but this time we want the egg to be nice and runny in the middle. So the first half of this method is pretty identical to the over hard method. Fry one side for about 1 to 2 minutes until the egg whites are just set and flip the egg. Once you flip the egg though, fry the other side for about 10 seconds. We want to just seal in the yolk, but keep cooking time to a minimum so that the yolk is still nice and runny inside. By the way, if you're new to cooking and you don't really know where to start, I've got a free 5-ingredient cookbook that you can download. I'll leave a link in the description box down below. And that, my friends, is 3 ways of cooking the perfect fried egg. Sunnyside Up, over easy, and over hard. You can see here how the over easy and the over hard ones, we'll cook them over a medium heat. So you can see the sides here will be slightly more crispier compared to the Sunnyside Up one, which we cooked on a medium low heat. Practice it, get it right, and you'll be well on your way to boosting your confidence in the kitchen. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, as always, give it a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below letting us know what other recipes or cooking techniques you'd like to see on this channel. Also, if you want to see the next episode, subscribe down below. On this channel, we upload videos about simple recipes and cooking techniques that help you get more confident in the kitchen. Anyways, I'm out. I got you your Maggi sauce.
Thanks, man.
Which one do you want? Like Asian style? You can Dude! Okay, you're eating that one as well. I'm having this one. You want to show people the runny yolk?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? So you cut into it. See out here? Over easy. We've flipped it. And the yolk is still nice and runny. And that one's nice and runny as well. Which one's your favorite?
You relax. I haven't tried this one yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
This one, the yolk has completely set. Yeah. Which one's your favorite?
Probably this one.
Over easy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Say bye, people. See you next week, guys. A bit of a runny nose. Wait, dude! You already got 2! I'm gonna try the Sunnyside Up. This guy didn't know what a Sunnyside egg was 2 weeks ago. Until we decided to make this video.
And look at your legs.
Yeah.
We both do it.
Hit
Hit
you
you
with
with
that dru.